We can use a text function in order to return the day of a week of a date. Within this text function, there'll be two parameters. Firstly is the value, which in this case is the date that we want reformatted, and format text. In this case, we're going to put DD. So, looking at an example, in column C, we have a series of dates. In column B, we want the date returned, the day of the week returned for each of these dates in column C. We simply open up a text function, set date, and now we tell Excel how we want that date format, and here we go, DD. And close it, and instantly this will return the day of the week for a specified date. Now we can drag that down.